this video, I will show you how to create a Stripe payment account. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser and search for stripe.com. In this section, you'll need to click on that sign in button at the top right of your screen. Since we cannot find a sign up button in this section, so I guess you'll need to head over to the sign in section to find the create account option. So in here, go ahead and click on that create account button at the bottom of this. So click on that create account button. In here, you'll need to provide your email, full name, your password, and the country of your residence. After that, go ahead and click on that create account button to create an account on Stripe, and this will redirect you into another section of filling up some required information. So in here, you'll need to first verify your Gmail account. So head over into a new tab and open google.com, and here look for Google Mail. The service is offered, and click on Google Mail. Once you get redirected into your Google Mail inbox, go ahead and open that specific message from Stripe and click on that verify email button, and that will redirect you into the Stripe dashboard. So in here, you'll need to select between adding few information for your account or exploring features. So go ahead and click on that add business information button to get redirected to the forms where you'll need to enter your information. So you'll need to select your business location along with your type of business. After that, you'll need to enter your business details, your public details. You need to add your bank account and secure your account on Stripe. You'll need to add extra information and review and finish your application before you submit your application on Stripe. And that is how you can simply create a Stripe account. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.